Now this has got a slightly loose armrest. So if you've got a T25 with armrest, captain seats, and it doesn't have a plug here, then these are held on with a roller pin. Now to get them off, what you have to do is, you'll need these two tools, or anything that's round like that. You can use a drill bit if you want to. So flip it over onto its back. Flip it over like that first. And so the roller pin is in here. I'm not sure if you can even see it, but it's, if you push back the form of the armrest, it is just in here. You'll have to trust me on that one. It is there, and you have to knock the pin through. Put a head torch on just to see what I'm doing. There you go. And that is out. I'll do this one while I'm here on this side. They've both got to come off. So the pins have been completely knocked out now, and the armrest is completely free. Now you'll find that the pin always ends up here. So you can see it's there. So I've left the pin inside so I don't lose it. It's in there. So I'll leave it in there, then I know where it is. I'll do the other side. They can be a little bit stiff to get off, but if you just keep wiggling them, they will eventually come off. And these have a little bracket here, so it's got this pin with a held in by a couple of screws. When you have a loose armrest, all you have to do is take the armrest off and tighten this up. So to get these back in, what you need is one of these. So I need a head torch as well. I've got to push back the foam here so I can get this through both holes. Now I know it's in the right place because it won't go back any further than that. And then now that I've got that in the right place, there'll be a hammer on this and slide this out without disturbing it. I need to get that in the hole. We're in the hole, and then just drive it home, and we're in. So the same with the other one. And we're in. So a lot of people find those tricky to do, but this is the essential tool, believe it or not. It just lines everything up.